Hi everyone. I just want to be able to show you where the online tutorial for the ScreenPal for the assignment, and I want to make sure you have a chance to view it before the week before of the assignment due date. It's probably going to be in your best interest to have a quick view of it just so you can reduce your anxiety. So first, go into the course essentials and then down to Essential Course Documents. And then from here, go to the Important Course Documents. And we'll scroll down. That's our syllabus, of course. I hope you've downloaded it. That's it right here. There's our assignment, and just below the assignment is the ScreenPal tutorial. Now, in addition, if you scroll down even further, I have some online success tips, one around online success and time management, one on the how to make a PDF, one on your device calendar, and then ScreenPal again. And I really emphasize how important it would be to view this in the early stages of your course, just so that won't be something in the week before, if that's when you decide to do the assignment, that you find that it's a lot more work than you thought to do in 1 week's time. But please do watch it, become familiar enough that it won't cause you any angst, and then get working on your assignment. It's going to be important to put things together and not do it all at the last minute. I find that that is what causes people the most difficulty. All right, I hope this is helpful for you. Take care. Bye now.